How to install Airbnb on Android. On this app you can find travel adventures and new places to go far away or near to you, and access vacation home rentals, new experience and places to visit all around the world. If you install Airbnb, you can choose from over 6 million vacation home rentals across 191 countries. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write Airbnb. Now, tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Airbnb on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Here, you can continue with Facebook, Google and Apple ID, or just create an account with your phone number. Let's connect with Google. Tap on Continue with Google. Now, select the account. You can make any adjustments that you want. Please be sure to write the birthday on this page. Tap Agree and continue. Tap Accept. Now the app is installed on your device and you are connected with an account. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.